Hello and welcome to Price Engines and another tutorial on the Lead Manager. Today we're going to be looking at searching our database and selecting who to send an email campaign to. So if we go on the left hand side in Lead Manager and then New Lead Manager. We covered message templates last time. Now we're going to search the database for relevant people and use that to send an email campaign. So if we click here. So on here, similar to the message template, if you have a search template already set up, you can click and then retrieve it. But we're going to create a new one. So if we look at, suppose from a database, we've got an offer only in Derby, so we'll call it Derby offer. Now here, you can choose date ranges, if you want to narrow it down for people that you've dealt with in the last year, month, week. But if we leave it open, and you can see in this database we have 166 contacts. That's everywhere. But as we call the Derby offer, we'll narrow it down. So one of the tag fields is search field, is area, and if we choose DE postcode and perform search, and you can see it's been narrowed down to 7 contacts. And if you look at the contact list, you can see the name and the postcode there, they're all DE. Yep. And on here, you'll notice the tag section. So this can also be used as an online diary, really, and you can log everything that's gone on with an individual. You'll see it's changed there. From here, I think you can also edit all the information by clicking on the person. So here you've got edit user. And below you can see there's all the correspondence history, so it tells you everything that's happened, and down the bottom you can set a future event. So again, if you want to put a follow-up call, you can enter it there and select a date. So if we do a month from now, and there we go. And you'll see it's in the log at the bottom. It is set for a callback, so you get a little reminder. But now what we want to do is go back to the search, and let's do this again. So we didn't save it. So Derby offer, and postcode starting with DE, and there's our 7 contacts. Right, and you can at the top go, you'll see it's saved in the list there. You can at the top go back to dashboard, but you can actually go straight to create an email campaign. So here we've got the message template, which we did in tutorial 1, July offer. So we'll select that, and then the search template. So the July offer is only available in the Derby area. Select that, and as you can see, it's all checked out here. Everything's working, and there's a number of messages left this month. Depending on what tier you're on, that'll change. If you need more, you can increase it. And there's the template, so it looks fine. Finally, we can send the email campaign. As you can see, it's gone to 7 contacts, and will be emailed a report. So it's just a delivery report that goes to the test email address again. And that's it. That's how to send a simple email campaign in just 2 steps. Create a message template, search for who you want to send it to, and send out the email campaign. And that's the end of this tutorial. Take care. Bye.